arrived in Porto a couple of hours ago. I agreed that I arrived between 11 and midnight. It's past midnight. I hope they will be still open. Because I need to sleep. Good morning from Lisbon. It's 10:30 in the morning. The second day just arrived, just starting to go out. Just got the bus from the hostel that I'm living in the area of Campo de Ric. Now I'm going to the metro to start the day for going around in Portugal. So made it to Sintra. It was very nice weather. From the metro, we had to catch a bus to come to the palace, Palace Pena, but actually it got a little bit cloudy with fog, but still it's very beautiful, the castle. We're waiting for the queue to go inside. Hello, this is Giselle. I've met at the metro station and we tagged along to come to the Palace of Pena, and it's very beautiful to see the architecture from the outside. Looking forward to see the inside now, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Hello.
See you.
Bye.
So we're walking down from the mountain, from the palace. We're doing some trekking, watching these beautiful views, passing through Sassetti, and it's very calming.
Hola,
We've met another new girl here.
I'm Sabrina from Argentina, from Buenos Aires. Nice to meet you all.
Hi, I'm Giselle. I live in London. It's nice to meet you all as well.
See you later. We're going to walk down to Sintra.
liquor made with a bitter cherry, and that's the one we call ginger. And because it's too bitter, we don't eat. We make liquor, and the tradition is to drink in a chocolate cup. Yeah. So you choose between dark or white, as you prefer. It's €1.
Enjoy.
And enjoy a lot. It's not a shot. You are supposed to taste first, and then drink, and then finish eating the cup. You don't need to wash the cup, okay?
Cool.
So it's ginger time. Cheers!
Already ate it.
Strong.
It's a liqueur made from almonds. This I for you. Almond, bitter almond liqueur. Amendoas de Portugal is the brand. Almonds from Portugal. Amendoas, it's almonds. And popularly, it's known like amêndoa amarga, bitter almond. We put lemon to drink to cut the sweetness. And in the summer, we used to put also some ice cubes. It's so delicious, so good.
Do we sip this one?
Cheers!
Oh, I finished it. Oh, my God.
She's always fast.